there's a lot of research being done stating that there's a relationship between low levels of vitamin D and depressions among students among people kan. So this is how where this study found that the likelihood of having depressions is higher in people with low levels of vitamin D. So some universities, some research in University of Toronto also have find out that the people that have symptoms of depressions, particularly those with seasonal affective disorders, so they tend to get better when the amount of vitamin D in their bodies went up, right? Especially they will go down during the winter, but then they will go up again. The levels of vitamin D will go up again in springs and summer because at that time they receive sunlight from the sun, because vitamin D is also a sunshine vitamin where you can get vitamin D from the sunlight exposure. So I'm talking about in the Western countries where they have limitations of sunlight during their seasons. But in Malaysia, it's another way where we can receive the sunlight almost every day throughout the year. So it is very advisable for us to eat a lot of antioxidants foods such as berries. We don't have to talk about berries lah, itu macam western sangat. So kalau kita kat Malaysia ni, we can eat carrots, long beans, what else for the vitamin C such as orange, okay, tomato pun a lot of vitamin C. So that is for antioxidants where it can prevent the cell damage. Okay, what else? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is also related to the mood boosting for our brain chemicals, which is serotonin. If you still remember, we learned this in our nutrition. So one more. So if we eat carbs, so it's better for you to take the complex carbohydrates rather than the simple carbs. Okay, I'm not sure whether you still remember your carbohydrate punya topics or not in nutrition, but yeah. So carbohydrates also contains fiber, where fruits, vegetables, what else? The legumes are also have these healthy carbs and fiber, which can promotes your bowel movement, which is really good sebab dia boleh menyebabkan prevents you from getting constipations. So all of this relates to health, and when you are healthy, so this in a way can relate to your mood also. And if your mood is good, the tendency of you to get anxiety and depressions will be lower compared to if you are unhealthy. Then it will affect your mood at that time, and that will make you easier for you to get anxiety and depression. So that is how we can relate a food, whether it is a factors of depression, anxiety.